A jet engine is one of the most powerful machines humans have ever built, yet the basic idea behind its operation is surprisingly simple. Take in air, compress it, mix it with fuel, burn it, and force it out the back to produce thrust. This entire cycle happens continuously and at extraordinary speed. A modern jet engine, whether it's a turbojet or a turbofan, starts by pulling air into the front through a large spinning fan. This fan is the most visible part of the engine, and its job is to suck in huge amounts of air and push it backward. In a turbofan engine, which powers most commercial airplanes, part of this air bypasses the internal engine core and flows around it, creating what we call bypass thrust. This makes turbofan engines quieter and more fuel. In a turbojet engine, used in older or supersonic aircraft, almost all the air goes directly into the engine core, producing higher speeds but with more noise and fuel consumption. Once the air enters the engine, it passes through a series of compressor blades arranged in multiple rotating stages. These spinning blades squeeze the air tighter and tighter, raising its pressure dramatically. When air becomes compressed, it becomes hot and dense, which is extremely important because it allows the fuel to burn more efficiently. After compression, the high-pressure air enters the combustion chamber. Here, fuel, usually aviation kerosene, is sprayed into the airflow like a fine mist. Spark plugs ignite the mixture, and once the burning begins, it becomes self-sustaining. The compressed air and fuel burn at temperatures that can reach over 1,500 degrees Celsius. This produces a huge amount of high-energy expanding gas that wants to escape. Instead of letting this energy explode outward in all directions, the engine forces the hot gases to move in one direction, backward. These gases rush through a turbine section, positioned right behind the combustion chamber. The turbine is a series of blades connected to the same shaft as the front fan and the compressors. As the hot gases hit the turbine blades, they spin the turbine, and this spinning motion drives the front parts of the engine. In other words, the engine is partially powering itself once started. The hot gas from combustion keeps the turbine and compressors spinning without external power. After passing through the turbine, the gas is still moving extremely fast, and it is directed out of the engine's exhaust nozzle. When these gases shoot out the back at high speed, Newton's third law comes into play. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The backward push of the exhaust gases creates a forward push on the airplane. This forward force is what we call thrust. In a turbofan engine, the large fan at the front plays a major role in thrust production. Most of the air that the fan moves does not enter the combustion chamber. Instead, it bypasses the engine core and flows around it in a circular tunnel called the bypass duct. This airflow provides the majority of the thrust for passenger aircraft, making the engine quieter and more efficient. Only a smaller portion of the air goes into the core for combustion. In a turbojet engine, however, there is no large bypass fan. All the air goes through the core, making turbojets better suited for high-speed military or experimental aircraft, but too noisy and fuel-hungry for commercial use. As the jet engine continues running, all these processes, compression, fuel mixing, combustion, turbine rotation, and exhaust, happen continuously, thousands of times per second. Modern engines also include advanced sensors and computers that adjust fuel flow, airflow, and internal temperatures to keep the engine running smoothly and safely. Jet engines are built from heterosystem materials like titanium and nickel alloys, allowing them to survive the extreme temperatures inside. They are also engineered with precise aerodynamic shapes, so that air flows smoothly through every stage, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. In the end, the beauty of a jet engine lies in how it transforms simple forces of nature, air pressure, combustion, and motion into the powerful thrust that lifts massive aircraft into the sky. From the moment the fan begins spinning on the runway to the moment the plane reaches cruising altitude, every part of the engine works together in a finely tuned symphony of engineering and physics. This is how jet engines generate the incredible power needed to carry passengers, cargo, and even spacecraft across the world at high speed.